Living in Las Vegas has its perks: beautiful weather, scenic drives, and of course, the bright lights of the Strip. But with all those road trips and city drives, a small chip or crack in your windshield can happen fast. Here at Paradise Mobile Auto Glass, we know how important it is to stay safe on the road. That's why we provide fast, reliable, and high-quality auto glass services right where you are. Whether it's a small chip repair or a full windshield replacement, our skilled technicians use the latest tools and techniques to get the job done quickly and correctly. Plus, we use top-grade glass to ensure the best fit and finish for every vehicle. Our commitment is to keep your view clear and your car safe, so you can get back on the road with confidence. And because we're fully mobile, we come to you, saving you time and hassle. At Paradise Mobile Auto Glass, we believe in providing a seamless experience. From the moment you call us at 702-659-8464 to the final inspection, you'll know you're in good hands. So next time you're in need of a windshield repair or replacement, reach out to Paradise Mobile Auto Glass. Visit us online at paradisemobileautoglass.com or find us on Google to learn more and see what our customers have to say. Keep your car safe and enjoy every drive in paradise. Paradise Mobile Auto Glass, Las Vegas's trusted mobile auto glass solution.